Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back in the series of Let Us Learn Computer. Today I will be sharing a very new thing, that is blogging. Now what is blogging? It is like diary writing. Like some of you are having the habit or interest in writing your views, your opinions. So that is also done online, digitally. You can write your views, your opinions, you can share your experiences as a blogger. So if you also want to be a blogger, you can create your account. Okay, let us learn how an account can be created. The most important thing here is it should be original. Okay, your own work you have to express in blogging your account. Then we'll come to, this is the Gmail account, that is must. You should have a Gmail account for being a blogger, for creating a blogging account. So here you can see Google Apps are shown, and it is again the Google one of Google only. So here we'll be coming down and you can see this is the icon of blogger. We'll be clicking on this and let us see what is appearing. It will be telling you to create your blog. Now here you can see the title, Publish Your Passions Your Way. Create a unique and beautiful blog. It is easy and free. You can create your blog, you can write your viewpoints, and it will be very interesting. If you are a writer, a hidden writer is there inside you, you can create your blog. So let us click on this, create your blog. Okay, you can select your account, like I am selecting here, my name. Then we can move ahead. Let us see what is appearing. Now you can give the title. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. So here we can give Education Hub. Okay, we can give a title. Okay, it can not exceed more than 100 alphabets. Okay, you can skip also you want, and because it should be very attractive. If you want to think over it and then you have to give the title, you can click on skip. Then we'll be moving next. After writing title, choose a URL for your blog. Okay, here you have to write an URL. Okay, I'll be writing my name, and that is blogspot.com. We'll move next. Then, how do you want your name displayed to readers of your blog? Your name will be displayed there. So, your display name, you will be mentioning your display name. Okay, like here I am mentioning mine. And here you can click on finish. The processing is going on. You can see here processing is going on. Display name is updated. Here you can see this is the first image that will be appearing, and you can see the screen here, and here you can create your blog. So many things you can see. The first thing, you can see the notices. These notices are to understand what it is all about. You have to see the rules and regulations, all the terms and conditions. What I told you, it should be your original work. There are no posts because it's a now only I have created in front of you. So there are no posts. Here I have to click on add to create a new post. Here you can see the name is displayed. What I told that what we have mentioned, that this is the name of the blogging account. New post you can add from here. Your post already posted things will be appearing here. Comments, you can allow comments on your post, or even you can hide it or you can delete it. You can restrict the people who can comment or not on your post. Earnings, now that is a further thing we will be learning after. When you will be very popular blogger, you will be writing and you will be having many followers and readers, and the people visiting your account, it will be, your blogging account will be monetized, and then you can have the earnings also. Pages, you can connect, you can tie up with the different pages. You can add layout, the structure. The layout means how it should look. Then we can move down, and the theme, you can change the color and it should be attractive, no? People are reading it. Theme and different settings also, options are there. You can make different settings. As I told you, the description, the title, okay, who can visit, who cannot, okay, what content you are sharing, it is for the children below 18 or above, okay, and all these privacy, that it should be visible to all or not, what you are publishing, what you want to display, permission, names, all these things you can see. So I hope you got what it is all about, and you can also create your blogging account, and I can hope that you are going to be a very good blogger, expressing your ideas and like this you can go with this. Okay, so this is all about blogging. It is like, we can say, a virtual diary. It will be like your diary. You can write your things, you can add your ideas, and you can express all over the world. People can read this. Okay, it's very interesting, and without having any means we can say advanced technical knowledge, you can be a blogger. So soon just go and create your account and go through all these things, what all these things are, as practically you will be learning, and soon I will be searching many people on the blogging account. Okay, so this is all about in this video. In next video I'll be telling you about more social networking sites. So go with this and create your blogging account. Goodbye.